I'm Mario with Solar Energy. Today we're going to review how to use the Wago lever wire connectors. These are the Wago lever wire connectors that are included in all of our kits. The way they work is that they connect two wires, one that goes into here and one that goes into this, with these levers. Okay. The lever in the up position allows you to take the wire and place it in and pull it out. In the down position, the connector is holding onto the wire. The way you install these is that you take your wire, you give it a quick spin, and then you take your connector, place it into the hole until you feel it against the back of the connector, squeeze it down, and give it a little tug to make sure it works. And then you're going to repeat for the other side with our wire that's coming from the light, and then I'm going to snap that down also. And then I'm going to repeat the very same process with the red.